tunes to cuddle up to tonight. Some good stuff.
Great to see the highest new entry in the chart this week. Two ladies from Scotland. This is Rose and Jill's Strawberry Switchblade, Since Yesterday. You better listen.
Chart debut there from Strawberry Switchblade.